Hi. Yes. Oh, want some more? Yes, there you go. Some more. Some more. Yes, that's right. Some more for you. Okay. What do you think? Some more? Yeah. Almost. What do you say? Want some more? Doesn't look like you want some more. How about we clean up your nest a little? Since you're such a good pooper. You're such a good pooper. Yes. Yes. All right, sweetie. Ah! Don't fall into your poop. That is not what we want. All right, you can groom yourself a little bit later. We just need to get you. Oh yes. Plenty of poop. Plenty of poop to do. Okay. So I'm going to get you out of the view here. And we'll just take that off. There. Get some fresh bedding for you. Get some fresh bedding for you. Oh. All right, you just wait. Yes. Let's get you a little more. Oh, yes. Oh, I know. Come on. Oh, I know. Alright, you can do it. You can do it. Hold on. Hold on to my hand. Hold on to my hand. There you go. See? Nice and fresh. Poop free. There you go. Nice and clean. You alright there? Oh! Yeah? What do you say? Want some more? Some more? Ah! Open wide. No? Just saying hi? Is that what it is? You're just saying hi to me? Yeah. You are a sweet one. And you're getting strong. You're a good one, and you're gonna be with your parents soon again. Just a few more hours. Yes. They're looking for you already. They're waiting for you. Yes, they are. But I'm very honored that you let me take care of you for a little bit to nourish you back to strength. You're gonna fly and you're gonna do so well. Yes, you are. You are going to do so well. Yes. You're gonna fly in the air. Yes. You're gonna be a really gorgeous bird. I know you will. Yeah. Yeah, make sure you groom yourself to look really good. Just don't fall over. Still a little lopsided there, are you? I know. I know. I just hope that everything goes well for you. Yes. Alright. Any last chance? No, I think you're done. Beautiful. So we want to wet the food so you get your liquid, because birds cannot absorb liquid directly, they absorb it through their food. And so we want to make it a really moist food. There we go. Alright, you are all set, little chirpy. Yes, there you go, all the feathers are coming in. That's right.